Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I bought this great DIY for you guys. A beautiful Nikkah pen. This is very super easy to make and very affordable. Do not skip the video. Watch the video to the end. And if you are new on my channel, so do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update. So without wasting time, let's get started. For this purpose, I'm gonna take this gel pen. Make sure that the pen is of good quality. And I'm taking this feather. This ribbon feather, I have made it by myself. I will paste the link of this video in my description box so you can check out. And we need this flower. This flower is also very easy to make. This is a foam sheet flower. And then we need these stamens. These stamens are also handmade. And the most important thing, the topper of Kabul hai. The last thing we need is this pearl bow. You can also use ribbon bow instead of this bow. And we need this long ribbon of pink color. These all things are handmade and I will paste the link of these all videos in my description box. First step is to paste this feather on the top of the pen with the help of glue gun. And then second step is to paste this Kabul hai topper on the top of the pen. I am using glue gun for all the purpose. You can also use super glue. Make sure to done these two steps before pasting the ribbon. Now I'm gonna paste the ribbon on all over the pen. And until I'm pasting, do not forget to like the video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update from my channel. And you can see that the pasting is almost done. Cut the rest of the part of the ribbon and this will be the look. Now we are gonna paste these stamens. These stamens will give very elegant look to the Nikkah pen. Paste them with the help of glue gun as I have pasted. And then I'm gonna paste the flower. These all accessories are very super easy to make. Now again I am going to apply the glue gun and I am pasting the last one, pearl bow, on the pen. And our pen is almost done. This will be the look of our pen. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like the video. Do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update from my channel. I will paste all the links of these accessories in the description box. Now let's meet in another video with great DIY idea. Do support my channel so I will bring great more DIYs for you guys.